When it comes to removing mold, it's always best to hire a quality mold removal company. You could do it yourself if the mold is not toxic and the affected area is small. But trying to tackle a large mold colony yourself, there is a high chance that the mold will simply return, or even worse, spread to other areas of the house. To prevent the mold from returning, it's important to find what caused the mold in the first place and address it. Oftentimes, the mold problem may be much deeper than what you can visually see. In such cases, cleaning the mold on the surface will only provide temporary results. Proper isolation of the affected area is also required to prevent the mold spores from spreading during the removal. As you can see, sometimes it's best to hire a professional mold remediation company that is better equipped to deal with mold and get rid of it for good. If you need help with removing mold, call us today for a free consultation or to find out more about our mold services.